Thank you for tuning in to watch Sixto. My name's Sixto, and got a little unpackaging to do. And got my nice little work knife, CJRB. Awesome little piece. Let's see what we got in the package. Oh, come on. And ooh, got me this little seiko clock, and I always admire what Seiko has done with their line. They're samurai, to be precise, and comes with a nice little package battery. I'm gonna use this battery up. My wife found this on, I think on Amazon, or she found it on not on Amazon. She found it on a different platform that she was looking through, and she's like, "Hey," she's like, "You don't have." She's like, "What do you think about this?" I'm like, "That looks pretty cool." I'm like, "Do you think they have it on Amazon?" She's like, "You know what? They do." Follow the directions. You got your alarm. Ooh, look at that. Nice little glow. And wait, no. It's already. Nice little LED light, so if you're in the area where you can't see, it's a pretty cool little contraption. Said it a little too fast. And let's see, for the fun of it, let's see what we get the measurements all the way. This guy sits at 93.8 millimeters. What I think it'd be a 98.3, 92. And the thickness with the bezel, we have a 45.8. Look at the size of the crown. And 17. And then see if I could rock it on my 7 3/4 inch wrist. Look at that. Almost reminds me of like a Flavor Flav when he used to have the big old clocks on his neck. The little red second, or the red minute hand, that's your alarm. You could almost probably use that as a GMT function too. Just look at the sweeping second. Pretty cool. That would have been awesome. The bezel doesn't rotate. It would have been really cool if you could use the crown, push crown to set the time instead of back here. But let me know what you guys think about it. I'll leave a link in the description, or a link to if you want to buy it, in the description down below. Until the next one, you guys have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye.